Amazing features of MazeCon. 1. Can mix from 2 to 7 types of ingredient. 2. Perfect film thickness. 3. Significantly increased extrusion volume. Let's take a look.
MazeCon has some amazing features that other companies' products don't have. I'd like to introduce one of these features. It's a really great feature. Generally, mixers are designed for specific numbers of types of ingredients, like for 3 types or 5 types, but they become exclusive for that purpose. Our MazeCon, however, can always increase the number of types being mixed. This is its biggest characteristic. You can adjust to the day's production plan by setting machine 1 to mix 2 types today, machine 3 to mix 3 types from noon, and machine 4 to mix 5 types whenever needed. This is because the mixing unit can be detached and attached. Right, Ishikawa-san?
Exactly.
You can take this unit to the adjacent extrusion molding machine. And no settings or adjustments are needed at all. Just take the mixing unit to the adjacent extruder, and you can increase or decrease the number of types being mixed. It's very convenient. This means you can ensure the maximum number of mixes with minimal equipment investment.
Only Mariyasu can do it.
Yes. You might worry about whether the mixing ratio can be adjusted flexibly, but don't worry about that either. With any combination of screw pipes of various sizes, as shown in the video, you can handle any mixing ratio without any need for adjustment. You can mix 50% of the main ingredient with another 50%, and you can even handle mixtures of a few percent of minor ingredients. As long as you have the basic mixing unit of MazeCon, you can handle any mixing ratio.
That's convenient.
When it comes to inflation molding, the film thickness is a big concern. I'd like to talk about how this was conventionally adjusted. One method was to measure the film with a thickness gauge, but accurately measuring while moving the gauge requires a high level of skill. It's questionable if anyone can measure accurately. Another method is to weigh a wound film of 100 meters or 200 meters and compare it to the calculated weight for the specified thickness. These two methods were used as indicators of thickness to adjust the take-up speed. However, it's impossible to get it right on the first attempt, isn't it, Ishikawa-san?
That's right, it's not easy to get it right on the first attempt.
How many attempts does it usually take?
About 2 or 3 attempts.
If this could be solved, we could consistently produce film with the specified thickness from the start. Additionally, there's another troublesome aspect, adjusting the film thickness in the middle of production. As you know, there is a strainer inside the extruder, and due to strainer clogging and other factors, the extrusion volume decreases.
Yes, that happens.
At such times, it's necessary to adjust the take-up speed to match the film thickness. It's a hassle, isn't it?
Yes, I'd rather avoid that if possible.
That's one of the features of MazeCon. Let's actually run the MazeCon. Using MazeCon, you can achieve highly precise control. The machine has speed control of the flowing film. For example, if the take-up rate is 100 meters per minute, you can control it very precisely in units of 0.1 meters. This allows for highly precise control of the film thickness. It can consistently match the specified thickness from the beginning.
Yes, that's correct.
So, what are the benefits compared to conventional methods? With conventional thickness adjustment methods, it's hard to maintain such high precision. If the thickness is too thin, it leads to complaints, so you might have produced with slightly more thickness, right? For example, if you were producing with 2% more thickness, reducing this to plus minus 0 would save that much material. Using MazeCon, you can do this. If the extrusion volume is 50 kilograms per hour, reducing the thickness by 2% would save about 1.2 million yen annually in raw material costs. It's better to deliver the film with consistent thickness and reliable quality, ensuring raw material savings, rather than making it thicker than necessary. Extrusion control is also an interesting technology. With general-purpose mixers, you can't know the extrusion volume. However, MazeCon can measure the current extrusion volume in real time and automatically correct it when it decreases. Extruders have strainers, so due to strainer clogging, the extrusion volume decreases by an average of 2 to 3% per week. MazeCon can automatically correct this, increasing productivity. Another point is that the extrusion volume is digitally displayed, as shown in this video, so you can see the current extrusion volume, how it was set previously, and so on. For example, if you produced at 50 kilograms per hour last time, you might try producing at 51 kilograms or 52 kilograms per hour this time, aiming for increased productivity. By recording this in the device, you can verify that you produced at 52 kilograms per hour last time, ensuring reproducibility and constant productivity improvement. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.